Hi everyone, it's Winsome and today I'm back with an origami video. As you can tell, I haven't really made an origami video in quite a while, and one main reason has just been it takes a lot of planning and it means I have to make them quite late in the evening due to, well, previously university and now my full-time job right now. Obviously I work in the daytime, and then when I'm home I have to try and find a time when it's really quiet, which means really late in the evening. But the problem is I then have to wake up early in the morning. So it's, yeah, really hard to try and plan time to make these videos. And now that there is the virus and I have to work from home for the next 14 days, it seems like the perfect time to get back into making origami, now that I can kind of stay up later, as I don't need to wake up as early to do the whole commute in the morning. And what are we going to be making in the next few origami videos is stuff from this folder day calendar, which is from 2014. Mind you, in 2014 this was my final year of my A-levels, very stressful time, and I was just going to university, hence why I kind of stopped making this stuff. And yeah, seems like perfect opportunity to try and finish, because there's quite a few, like I'm holding it, it's quite heavy, there's quite a few left. And the first origami we're going to be making today, ignoring the date, I just picked this because it seemed like a cute origami to start with, is the shooting star plane. Doesn't exactly say who's made it, but I don't know, maybe we could find out from somewhere later on. So yeah, shooting star plane is going to be the first origami, and as usual we're going to start off with a square piece of origami paper and flip it onto the blank side. And what we're going to do is not completely fold it in half, but we're gonna crease slightly along the halfway line, like so. Open it back up, and then again we're going to fold it up but not fully and make another crease from the halfway point. Actually, you know what, you can make a full crease, that's what I meant, because we're gonna cut this part off, which I need to quickly go fetch a pair of scissors, so I'm gonna do that right now. So yep, like that. Then we can just discard this, and taking this piece of paper still on the blank side, we're going to fold it in half, and this time we are going to make a full crease like so. So then once we've done that, we're going to open it back up, flip it the other way, depending, you might have been holding it this way already. So yeah, then after looking at my instructions a couple times, this was actually the wrong way. I'm going to fold it back out and actually flip it this way and fold them like so again, but on the coloured side. It's a great first origami video back in already making mistakes. But yeah, then we can flip it around like so, and then what we're going to do is bring this edge to the center, and then when we do that, that should pop right out, as you can see, and then you can just fold that down, and then we're going to do that to the other side. That should pop right out like that again, and then we can fold it down. Nice. And this is what we should be up to at this point. And then once we've done that, we want to fold the bottom of this diamond here up to the top of the diamond like so. Like this. Then we can fold it kind of like halfway of this half diamond back down again, so kind of like this. This much will be fine, but if you do any more it'll be also fine. So then it's like so. Once we've got that, we can flip it round and rotate it again, and then we will fold it up in half and try to get it as neatly in half as possible. Oops. Then try and line everything up so it's like perfect with one another, as I'm trying to do. And then we have that little fold here. So yeah, we can fold it down. And then we can kind of do that on the other side, fold that side down as well. And as you can tell, as I'm forming that, we have our shooting star plane, a cute little plane, which will hopefully work when you try it out. I think it's kind of cute at this way, even though it's the bottom, because you can see the two colors. But yeah, here is the first origami of the series. I don't know what I'm going to call it, but yeah, hope you enjoyed making that after a little blunder that I had done. It's a nice simple origami that you can have fun play with after. And yeah, as usual guys, thanks for watching. Write a comment down below on your thoughts, like this video so I know you enjoyed this type of content, subscribe for more content like this, and I hope to see you next time. Thanks and bye.